People are secretly using this AI tool to make money while they sleep, and almost nobody knows about it. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can start earning your first $500 this week. Welcome to AI Cashflow, your daily source of AI money ideas. If you want to turn artificial intelligence into real income, make sure to hit subscribe right now. Most people still believe making money online needs coding, design, or marketing skills. But AI tools are breaking those limits. You can now earn while the software does the hard work for you. The AI tool we're talking about today is Durable AI. It can build a complete professional website in less than 30 seconds. No design, no coding, no experience. Just type what your business is, and Durable does the rest. Let's test it. I'll ask Durable to create a website for a logo design agency. In seconds, it generates Faceless YouTube channel with AI, from script to money in 24 hours.
Thousands of people are making money on YouTube every single day without showing their face. But how are they doing it? The secret is AI. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can launch a faceless YouTube channel and start earning within 24 hours. No camera, no editing skills required. Welcome to AI Cashflow, the channel where we explore real-world ways to build income streams using artificial intelligence. If you want to learn how to make money online using AI and automation, make sure you watch till the end, because today's video can literally help you build your first AI-powered business. So what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's simple. You create videos, but never have to appear on camera. AI handles your script writing, voiceover, and visuals. It's perfect for anyone who's camera shy or just wants to work behind.
In short, AI becomes your writer, editor, and voice artist all at once. Now let's go step by step and create your first video using a single tool, Pictory.ai. Pick a trending topic like AI tools that make money or AI side hustles 2025. Use Google Trends or ChatGPT to find what's hot right now. Use ChatGPT to write a short, engaging script. Make sure it's 100% original, because originality helps with monetization and ranking. Copy your script into Pictory.ai, select a modern theme and a natural AI voice. In just one click, your full video will be ready, complete with visuals and background music. Download the video and open it in CapCut. Crop or zoom slightly to remove any Pictory watermark. Add your channel intro, outro, and subtitles, then export in 1080p. Now your professional, watermark-free video is ready to upload.